Let's talk just a little bit about the soil moisture and the soil characteristics that are desirable for planting corn. In this particular field, the ground was worked very recently, and as we look at the soil conditions here that's at the surface now, we have very loose, very friable, very nice soil conditions. This is ideal for planting because as we place that seed in the ground at that 1.5 to 2 inches deep, we're going to have nice loose soil that's going to fall in and surround that seed, and we'll have some very nice soil to seed contact. Many times we'll see growers that want to go out to the field and do some spring tillage before planting to help warm up the soil or dry up the soil. And whenever we hear words like that, that actually makes us very nervous, because that tells me that more than likely that soil is probably not in the condition it should be for ideal planting. And that is what did happen in this field. It was worked a few days ago, and you can still see slabs out here from the tillage tool that had passed through the field. You can see that it had actually cut and smeared the soil. And the soil moisture was enough yet that you could actually make a mud ball. If you have these kind of soil conditions when you're thinking about doing tillage or even planting, consider waiting a little more time, another day or so, for the soil to dry out a little bit more. When we plant into these conditions and create these smearing layers, we can generate what we call sidewalk compaction. And if your seedling's placed here and your roots are developing within this zone, if it happens to turn off dry after planting, you will have a very difficult time getting those corn roots out of this zone. So please pay attention to soil moisture. Ideally, we want this soil nice and loose. We want it very friable so that it will just crumble again and fall around that seed easily.